In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to add team members to your PandaDoc workspace. Getting your team on board is key to better collaboration, faster approvals, and smoother workflows. So let's get started. First, log into your PandaDoc account as usual. Once you're in, head to the left sidebar and click on Settings. This is your control panel for everything related to your workspace preferences. Inside the Settings menu, select the Team tab. This is where you will manage your team members, from existing roles to new invites. Now look for the Invite Users button, usually located at the top left corner. Click it and a form will appear. Here's what to do. Enter the email address of the person you want to invite. Double check for typos so the invite goes through. Select a role for them, such as admin, manager, member, or even a custom role. Each role determines what tools and permissions they'll have inside the workspace. Once everything looks good, hit Send Invite. PandaDoc will automatically email the user with a link to join your workspace. All they have to do is click it and set up their account, and they're in. Adding users is quick, easy, and essential for building a collaborative environment in PandaDoc. That's it for this guide. If you found it helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out our full PandaDoc playlist for more 2025 tips.